So Samsung has finally delivered the Android Oreo software for Galaxy S8 and S8 Plus. Here I have an S8 Plus. I've just noticed that Samsung has relayed this software, so it's right on the screen, ready for installation. Version 9, which is the Android Oreo. It's going to be a sort of a game changer for the Android devices because Android Oreo 9 is a complete upgrade. So previously we had the Android version 7.12, which was the Nougat, and then the Oreo came along, which was the Android version 8, and now we have over here the most upgraded version of Android Oreo, which is the Android Oreo version 9. So I'm just gonna hit install now, and after installing it, let's see the first impression. What do we get from the phone itself? So the software is finally updated. From the looks of it, I don't really feel there is any change, but what I feel is that the menu has gone a bit more snappier. Edge panels has also been updated because there are a lot of updates which you really need to keep your phone or your Android device up to date. But the strangest thing is that I still don't understand why they haven't improved this glitch, which is the village, when it says village, and for some reason it's still not picking up the correct location on for the weather. Now in terms of visual changes, visually Android Oreo does not look much different than Nougat. The home screen remains quite similar. The icons seem to be a bit more streamlined. The biggest notification comes from the settings menu. It'll take some time to get used to it to make it easier. So app icon badges is a new feature in Android Oreo. So you can show with number, show without number. Regarding visual changes, visually Android Oreo doesn't look much different than Nougat. The home screen remains quite similar, though we can see the icons seem to be a bit more streamlined. The app drawer is the same as well. So guys, this was my video and review for the Android Nougat. So guys, this was my review for the Android Oreo version 9. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up and do subscribe, like and share. And if you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section below and I'll reply back to you. So guys, bye for now then.